Hello, everyone, and compliments of the season. Thank you all that called, that sent messages, that sent gifts to me. I really appreciate. I pray that God Almighty will meet every one of us at the point of our needs. So today I want to share with us a powerful recipe you can use. This particular recipe, you're not going to bait with it. You are going to use it to make a soap, or you add it to your cream, but I prefer a soap so that anybody can use it. Make it in a big quantity so that the whole family can use it this period. What this soap will do for you, it will help you for protection. It will help you to gain favor from your loved ones who are richer than you, your loved ones who are doing better than you financially and otherwise, your loved ones who are connected. It will make you to get connected to the right people, people that can change your story, people that can love you, people that can help you. This particular recipe can equally help you for love and attraction. For those who wants to get married, you can actually use it. Even those that are married can use this to make your love to grow more. This particular recipe can equally help as back to sender, and to send evil forces the way they send it, to return it back to them. So if this sounds like what you're interested to watch, please keep watching. I'm going to show it live on how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you're going to be putting is our cloves. The cloves, you're going to measure 1 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon. So measure 1 tablespoon of cloves. You pound. This is my cinnamon, unprocessed cinnamon. So I'm going to take a little. Okay, this is okay. You all know what cinnamon does. So what we have here, I've pounded the cloves and the cinnamon together. Another thing I'm going to be adding here is our potash. Akawo. Please, you can write under the comment section what you call akawo, the one we usually use to cook, to soften any hard thing you are cooking. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. It's very powerful too for protection and for back to sender. We are going to be putting is our bitter cola. The bitter cola, you have to pound it with the skin. Okay, so this is what we have here. Pound it anyhow your strength can carry. If it's not properly pounded, you can use something to sieve it out and take the powdered one, but it's not always difficult. I don't know whether because I'm used to it. Okay, I don't know, maybe because this is my work. I do it almost every day, so I'm used to pounding. So if you find it difficult to pound, just pound as your strength can carry. Then you sieve and pound again. In that way, it will be easy for you. So this is what we have. I don't know whether you're seeing it. This is what we have now. So the next thing I'm going to add is my alligator pepper. So now, for those, they're supposed to make for men different and for women different, but because of time, maybe you don't have time to make it differently. You can, what you would do, you know that men use 9 alligator pepper, while women use 7 in the normal spiritual assignment, but everybody can use 7, but 9 for men if actually you want to do it. Oh, I'm a man, I want to do this like this. So what you will do is to add 9 and 7 to give you 16 seeds of alligator pepper. But this particular one, I am doing it for a woman, so I'm going to add only 7 alligator pepper. So I'm going to add it here. After adding, you pound. It's very necessary, you pound. When you are sure that everything has mixed, you go ahead, then take your garlic. This is my garlic. You are not going to remove the skin. You need the skin. The skin is equally powerful spiritually. So you are going to take just 7 cloves of garlic. This is 3. This is 4. I think this is 2 in 1. Okay, this is 2 in 1. That's 6. then 7. This is 7 garlic. You're going to pound. Then another thing you're going to add is your bay leaf. This is my bay leaf. Okay, you're going to add 7 pieces of 7 leaves of bay leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 bay leaf. So first of all, I usually use my hands to break it, as you can see. So break it this way before you pound. It will make it easier for you. Okay, so you can see what I just did. It will make it very easy for you to pound. Yes. So this particular recipe, when you try it, don't forget to share your testimony, because I need that testimony by January. I need it. It's very important for me. I need it. So this is what we have now. This is what we have. This is what it looks like. Okay. So the next thing you are going to do, get a container like this. And transfer everything inside. So you can see it's not difficult to pound at all. It's not. So this is what we have. So now we are not done. No, we are not done. This one you can just take a spoon like this and put in your cream or anything, olive oil, any oil you can rub, or any cream you rub at night, because you're supposed to be using this at night. Then when you are going out in the daytime, rub it under your leg, on your foot. So now you are going to get your lemon. This is my lemon. Squeeze it out just as I'm doing. You can see this one has a lot of water. Squeeze it out. Yes, squeeze out. The chaff is needed, the water, everything. You don't need the skin, but you can use the fiber inside. There's no problem. So this is what we have. Go ahead and mix it with your soup or your cream. You can use it to mix a soup and a cream at the same time and use it together. You will see how God is going to protect you. This will send evil people far away from you. This will destroy the plans of the enemies in your life. Please, as you're using this, remember to pray and tell God to protect you. Tell God to use these natural remedies to expose all your secret enemies, and believe me, God will do it for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.